Hello friends, welcome back to the Geography series of class 7th NCRT chapter 1 The Environment. We have already completed our class 6 Geography NCRT. You can check to our channel Exammap on YouTube. Environment. What is environment? All the surrounding things that we see around us are called environment. Environment has two components. One is natural and second one is man-made or artificial. Natural environment is of two types: biotics, which are living things, and abiotics are non-living things. Biotics includes plants, animals, bacteria, human, fungi, and abiotic includes soils, water, sunlight, air, which all are non-living things. Artificial or man-made environment includes schools, tables, religion, family, society, communities, books, corporate and industries. The nature The natural environment has three components: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. First one is lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or solid layer of rocks of top layer of the earth is called lithosphere. Under the lithosphere we have various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys. Mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys are found only in lithosphere. Due to these, the shape of the lithosphere is irregular because all of are these in different shapes. All the activities such as mining, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture, and other activities which are possible on the land are done on lithosphere. Second one is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere comprises of various sources of water such as river, lakes, seas, oceans. These all provides life to the billions of the organisms which are not possible without water. For example, marine mammals, marine animals. Atmosphere, the thin layer of air or gaseous that surrounds earth is known as atmosphere. It is the gravitational force of earth that holds the atmosphere around the earth. Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? It is the system formed by the interaction of all living organisms which with each other and with physical and chemical factors of environment in which they live. All are linked by the transfer of energy and materials. Some examples are pond ecosystem, desert ecosystem. We observed our World Environment Day on 5th June each year. What is human environment? Human being interacts with environment and modified it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural environment. The way of life of early humans largely shaped and dependent on environment. Now, over the time, humans learned new ways to use and change the environment as per their requirements, which is harmful to the earth. For example, learn to grow the crops and domestication of animals. Industrial revolution made improvement on industrial production and faster transportation. Information revolution made communication easier across the globe. You can also check the exercise of class 7th first chapter. What is ecosystem? We have discussed. It is the system found by interaction of all living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factors of environment in which they live. All are linked by transfer of energy and materials. Examples are pond ecosystem, desert ecosystem. What do we mean by natural environment? Natural environment of two types. The environment having self-sustainability or no roles of humans for their conservation, creation and changes are called natural environment. For example, mountains, plains, oceans, etc. Components of natural environment are biotic and abiotic, and the second component of environment is artificial or man-made environment. Give four examples of human-made environment: bridges, roadway, highways, home, industry and colonies. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid layer of rocks on earth. It is the topmost layer of earth. Under the earth, we have mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys found over it. All activities such as mining, grassland, agriculture done on lithosphere. Which are the two major components of biotic environment? Biotic environment are the living things. So plants, animals, human beings. What is biosphere? The biosphere is a zone where all life forms of Earth exist. It is a zone where atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere interacts with each other. So we have completed our first chapter of class 7th geography NCERT. Thank you class.